Is your device's plain scrolling up or down automatically without you touching the mouse or touchpad? Then let's explore the following solutions you can try. Firstly, perform some preliminary checks like disconnecting and reconnecting your mouse to your PC, examining the mouse wheel to ensure it is not clogged with dirt or dust, connecting your mouse to a different USB port to see if the port itself causes the problem, or if you're using a touchscreen monitor or laptop, you have to make sure it is clean. But if those simple methods did not work, check for potential hardware problems, like ensuring the scroll wheel is not too loose, which could lead to incorrect input, or have a technician inspect your mouse. But if you think that the touchpad is causing the problem, disable it to find out. To do that, open Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices, click Touchpad, then try to turn it off using the toggle. Now if the problem persists after disabling the touchpad, some software issues might be the culprit. But lastly, remove or uninstall ghost devices. Do that by opening Device Manager. You have to go to the View tab, click Show Hidden Devices, and if you see a check mark next to this option, hidden devices are already visible. So after doing that, expand the mice and other pointing devices category, and if you see that there are many mouse devices installed here, you have to uninstall them all. Then, plug the mouse and connect it back, and then Windows will automatically install the driver. And those are the following fixes if your Windows is crawling by itself in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.